guys, I think I should close the music. I don't want no copyright infringement. Hey guys, so today is Monday and last night was so fun. I tried to get a little bit on the vlog but I didn't. We didn't get to win, which is fine, alhamdulillah, regardless. Currently, sure, I have this flower bouquet that I received the other day and I want to like put it in this jar of water. So I fill this like mason jar with water and I'm just gonna cut it up and put it in the cup because I don't want them to die. Usually with like bouquets, you have to cut them at an angle so that they absorb the water better. Like that.
I won't let you talk to me like that. I don't care who you are to me.
You guys can't even see what I'm doing, but I'll show you when I'm done. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if it's bright enough, but that's what it looks like afterwards. This is all the damage I did. I decided to leave this one out because it's like practically broken. And apparently if your flowers, like as you can tell, these ones are already starting to like die. I watched someone Snapchat and she said she just added like sugar to the water, so I'm gonna try that and see if that works. But for now, this looks so good. I like the way it looks. Hey guys, good morning. There's a plane. And where are my glasses? Did I pick them up? Oh, there we go. Found them. Good morning, Tuesday morning. I want to talk about a couple of things. I've been feeling not my best self lately. I don't know what it is. I've just been in a rut. It happens all the time. So I stumbled upon a quote this morning on my Instagram, okay? And it kind of like put things in perspective for me. I don't know if that makes sense, but it says your competition isn't other people. Your competition is your procrastination, your ego, the unhealthy food you're consuming, the knowledge you neglect, the negative behavior you're nurturing, and your lack of creativity. Compete against that. And that was like the aha moment for me. And I was like, you know what, J Jackson, you're right. That hit home. That's how I've been feeling. I've just been letting you guys in on how I've been feeling. But this is another school week vlog. I don't know if I mentioned that yesterday or whatever, but yeah, school for me isn't that hard. Like sometimes it is because I feel like I'm juggling a lot, if that makes sense, but you just have to find the balance points. And some days you're gonna have like off days on either side, so it really doesn't matter. It happens, it's normal. You're human, I'm human, you're human, everyone's human. I keep saying but yeah a lot, right? I need to quit that. Anyway, I want to talk about the flowers. I did put the sugar inside butter, so we're gonna see how long these ones last us. The flowers do look good. They've like opened up. Oh, they have opened up. What? Did the sugar do that? Like, did they sugar me? Because I remember when I was putting like, especially like the purple roses, they were a bit closed, and now they are thriving. I don't know if you can see very well, but they look so good. They look so nice. I don't know what that leaf is doing in there. I should have cut it out, but it doesn't really matter. So far, so good. I'm gonna let you guys know how long these flowers will last me, if I'm gonna replace them. I don't know. I really like the way they look like this, or should I just get fake ones where I don't have to worry about watering them and the upkeep and whatnot. I wouldn't be carrying my camera today, obviously. First of all, the battery is gone. I don't have time to charge it, and I don't have an extra battery, but I will try vlogging some bits and pieces for you guys. Hey guys, don't mind me. I'm currently home. It's like 9 p.m. 10:19 actually. Just trying on lipstick. Shaz by Crayons and Ink. I want to be in class early by like 9 because I have another class at 9. I have like artificial intelligence. Yeah, I have artificial intelligence in the morning, and I don't know, of late I've been very lacking motivation for school. School, huh? It's gonna be the death of us. Morning guys, on Saturday morning.
It's the last time I will turn my back on you and us. You won't see me around here, no. No matter what you're going through, I don't deserve this from you.
So there's lunchtime. It was like leftover food from yesterday. Anyway, it was in the fridge, like spaghetti with, I put like a side of cherry tomatoes and hot and sweet. If you guys didn't know, I can't have my food without like hot and sweet.
You know it's excuse, 'cause I got to escape your energy.
So sorry, as I was saying, I can't eat my food without hot and sweet, only because I don't know, it makes everything flavorful. I don't know.
Before it takes me over, I'm gonna love you from afar. I hope you can be there.
I am headed out to go shoot some content. I did my makeup, nothing much to be honest, very light. I'm yet to pick what lip I want to do, but the weather is so bad. I really wanted to go shoot, but the weather is so bad, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do. That's all I've been up to. Did a bit of reading, had lunch, edited a video. I get a lot of questions about how my nail polish usually changes so quickly, like within one vlog. First of all, like the vlogs are usually over a period of days. Second of all, I get tired of like nail color very quickly. I just change them whenever I feel like. I just change them, to be honest. Like right now I've had this brown one and it's like chipped, so I think I'm gonna put black one over it. But yeah, that's what I do. I change them at home, nothing special. My niece will have the like the peel off ones, and they're affordable. You guys can go check them out. Once water touches them, they like just peel off. Other than that, I really like the look I have on today. As usual, lips, I'm wearing a Gabrini matte lipstick crayon in the shade number 5. It's like really nice, like coffee brown nude. I really like it. It goes perfect with this look.
Wherever you are, I'm gonna love you from afar. I hope you can be there. Wherever you are. I wish I could.
Remember how I said I was gonna go out and shoot content? Didn't happen, started raining, got lazy. I just made myself a snack right now, like toast with like peanut butter and jam, and I'm just gonna sit back and probably watch a show. Can't be bothered. Probably will do like the shooting tomorrow, but as of now, we're staying in.
Help you get your shit together, but you don't listen at all to me. I see your potential and it hurts to see you throw it